Okay guys, do you like to make exactly the same thing as I did? Do you like this junk journal mini album? Do you like it? Do you like the chunky charm? Do you like the lace? Do you like the flower combinations? Do you like these ladies, this item? Do you like everything? The closure? Do you like it? Do you like it? Then watch further this video because I'm going to show you what's inside the kit. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what's in the kit. Of course the chipboard that you need is inside. Of course the bookbinder's linen, the black leather look, which I used for making the closure. There is a little welcome note. Nothing fancy. If you don't have the kit, then you don't need it. Just a little welcome note with a few measurements, but I will give you also during the tutorials. What else is inside? I'm going to use I think I used them all. These bakery lace kind of things. We love to use these in junk journals, so that is included too. Then when I first started my album, I only had 6 pages of my digitals, and but I had not enough, so I decided to print another set for myself. But I decided yesterday, why not add 2 sets? Because some of you don't have a printer, some of you don't have good quality papers, so I decided to print 2 sets of my digital, but you still get the digital link for me, so you still can print loads and loads more if you like. So the printable ink link is also included in this kit for my 6 pages that are inside. Yeah, so you get 12 A4 pages. There is 1 pocket and tags sheet for the scrapmir. The scrapmir collection called Charming. Then this lace, which I used on the sides, which you also can glue it inside, of course. That's totally up to you. Then you will get the chipboard elements. Then you will get 1 paper pack of Charming. Nope, that's not wrong. That's not true, because you get 2. Yeah, there are two paper packs. I use 1 by mistake, but yeah, I do use 1 because I had no idea. I bought 2 for you guys. Duh, of course I bought 2 for you guys, but somehow I totally forgot that. But so that's a good sign, because it can be doing with 1. It can be done. I did it, so you can do it too. But if you have some trouble with it, you can use 2. Alright, then we have some epoxy stickers from Charming collection, and also the die cut cardstock with all these nice cutter parts. So that's included. Then I have a big bag of loads and loads and loads of tags and little envelopes and all that kind of nice things. You will get 6 of these envelopes, those brown ones. You get these papers, you get a see-through envelopes, 2 of them. Then of course the ladies, the vintage lady clear stickers you will get. They are randomly packed, so the images will not be exactly the same as I used, because I had to split and sort things out for you guys, because I did not have enough. So, but you will get 10 of these stickers, which include ladies or flowers or something like that. But definitely there will be nice ladies in your kit too as well. Then of course we have a flower set with loads of flowers inside. We have of course the ribbon set that I used this time for the spine. Of course we have the bag for making the chunky charm. And that's inside, everything is inside. You get the washi tape that I used, and of course we have a bag with all the other metal embellishments like brads, eyelets, the closure is inside, the angel is inside, eyelets, everything is inside. So everything is inside to make this exactly the same, only for 2 things are not included. That is For those who already bought several kits of me, you know that it's not included the normal cardstock. This time I use black cardstock. That's not included. You also can use other color cardstock. That's always an option. I use Clairefontaine 160 gram black this time. That's not included. You can choose any color, any size, any thickness, any good, bad quality you like to use. So that's not included. And also not the white print paper, which I coffee dyed my papers for these junk journal pages with. That's also not included. But you just can use simple 80 grams white print paper that you have maybe already in your stash somewhere near your printer. So that paper you can use for coffee dye those papers. So those two things are not included. For the rest, everything is inside. Alright, and a plus bonus is an extra paper pack. And also the link for the printables, and yeah, everything is inside, guys. You can make it. It's a lovely, lovely, lovely kit with actually pretty much full, because I really had to really stuff it in my mailbox to send it with a mailbox shipping method. So I do ship worldwide, so don't worry. Yeah, please send me an email. My email address is under every video to be found. Everything can be asked, everything can be ordered through my email. That's one place I love to do everything. So I have all in one site and everything, blah blah blah. It's very easy to use. Alright, so please send me an email if you like this. Be not too late, because I do not have that many. Alright, so don't wait too long if you like this, because before you know it, I don't have anyone left. Alright, I will see you through the mail. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the tutorials. There are plenty, and I will show you step by step every minute. I will show you. Alright, have fun guys. Bye bye.